Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Hello, little ones. Today we're going on a magical adventure. Are you ready? Let's visit a cozy little house in the forest. Inside this house there live three bears, a big papa bear, a medium-sized mama bear, and a tiny baby bear. And guess what? Something very special is about to happen. Let's find out what it is. One morning the three bears made some yummy porridge for breakfast, but it was too hot to eat. So they decided to go for a walk while their porridge cooled down. Look at that. 3 bowls of porridge, 1 big bowl for Papa Bear, 1 medium bowl for Mama Bear, and 1 tiny bowl for Baby Bear. Can you see the bowls? Oh, who's this? It's Goldilocks. She's a little girl who loves to explore. She sees the bear's house and decides to take a look inside. Let's follow her and see what happens next. Goldilocks is feeling a little hungry. She sees the porridge and decides to have a taste. First, she tries the big bowl. Uh-oh, this porridge is too hot. Now she tries the tiny bowl. But oh dear, this porridge is too cold. Finally, she tries the medium bowl of porridge. This porridge is just right. Goldilocks eats it all up. After eating the porridge, Goldilocks feels a bit tired. She sees 3 chairs and decides to sit down. First, she tries the big chair. Oh no, this chair is too big. Next, she tries the medium chair, but this chair is too soft. At last, she tries the tiny chair. Ah, this chair is just right. But, oh no, the chair is too small and it breaks. Poor Goldilocks. Goldilocks is feeling very sleepy now. She goes to the bedroom and sees 3 beds. First, she tries the big bed. This bed is too hard. Next, she tries the medium bed. But this bed is too soft. Finally, she tries the tiny bed. Ah, this bed is just right. Goldilocks falls fast asleep. The 3 bears are back. But wait, what's this? Papa Bear looks at his porridge.
Someone's been eating my porridge.
Someone's been eating my porridge too.
Someone's been eating my porridge and they've eaten it all up.
The bears walk into the living room and see the chairs.
Someone's been sitting in my chair.
Someone's been sitting in my chair too.
Someone's been sitting in my chair and they've broken it.
The bears go to the bedroom and see the beds.
Someone's been sleeping in my bed.
Someone's been sleeping in my bed too.
Someone's been sleeping in my bed. And look, she's still here.
Goldilocks wakes up and sees the 3 bears. Oh my, she's so surprised. Goldilocks quickly runs out of the house and back into the forest. The 3 bears wave goodbye. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, little ones. Remember, it's always good to ask before we try something new. Bye-bye. The bears fix their chairs, make some more porridge, and live happily ever after. And Goldilocks learned to be more careful when exploring new places.